Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if you can't make this change because the settle selection is locked error in your Microsoft Office. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that I am going to show you is to disable mark as the final option. So if a document is marked as final by its author, so it will turn to read only and you will be restricted to make any modifications for it. So to resolve the issue, you just need to disable the option. So commonly you will see a notification under the toolbar right here. So just click the edit anyway button to disable the mark as a final option temporarily. And you might need to perform the operation every time. So every time you open the document to edit. But alternatively, you can also follow the steps that I am going to show you to disable the option and make the document editable. So which is this one. So first step that we'll need to do is to just open the document and go to the file info. So right here, click into the file option and then go to the info section and just click the protect a document in the right pane to expand the drop down lists. And then after that, just the mark as final option should be highlighted. And if it is enabled, so right here, to disable it, you just need to click on it to make it not highlighted. And then that's it for the first fix. The second fix is to disable restrict editing. So besides, it might be helpful to enable the developer tab and disable restrict editing. Some users have resolved the problem in this way, so you can feel free to have a try. So first step that you need to do is to keep the problematic document open and go to the file, and then after that go to the options. And in the word options window, just click the customize ribbon in the left pane, and under the customize the ribbon column, check the developer option and click the OK button to save settings. Then after that, just go back to your document, click the newly enabled developer tab and click the restrict editing option to disable it. And then next is you can modify the properties of the document. So here, if you receive that you can't make this change because the selection is locked error, while trying to edit a single element such as the title, perhaps there are some problems with the metadata of the document. So in this case, you can go to modify the properties of the file. So here are the steps on how you can do that. First, just open the target document and then navigate to the file and then go to the info section again. And in the right pane, just click the properties and click the advanced properties from the context menu. And under the summary tab, just modify the displayed elements according to your need and click OK button to save the changes. And then lastly, what you can do is to activate your office. So if you counter the error again, so it is possible that you are using the trial version of the office or the office trial has expired. So in this case, you might need to activate your office. And that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause the video, go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.